another good response would have been, well, I don't know. You tell me. What's my hidden agenda? I don't know. You tell me.
Well, Trey, what's your hidden agenda?
I have none.
That's what you would. That's what you would say.
I have no plans. I have no agenda. Nothing.
Spoken exactly someone with multiple hidden
Somebody was
agendas.
telling me last time. Somebody was giving me shit. Why don't you just go with the flow, man?
Who was that?
Martin Nelson. Fucking knock him out.
Where is Martin?
What did I say? I'm gonna punch him in the face.
I'm gonna knock her out. Someone tell me to go with the flow. Give me shit.
Hey, you gotta learn how to go with the flow, man. Listen, man, I'm the fucking flowiest motherfucker you know, buddy.